Hey, good morning, guys. Hi, everyone. I'm just trying to show you guys a little bit like this is the first time I mean, come live on YouTube. Actually, I'm new here. However, guys, I'm trying to show you guys this is the electrical box right here. As you can see, uh, well, there are two baby chicks, like 2 weeks ago, there were like two eggs. Now, as you can see, like there is a uh, two baby chicks just born hatch. Well, they are free, as you can see right here. So those baby chick, just maybe 2 days ago, it just hatched, and well, I just showing you guys a little bit. This is our electrical, panel board. So all the system is active, live, working. But as you can see, this is the bus bar. So those two bird, right up here. So hopefully, nothing's happened to them. But I'm watching, keep watching closely. Make sure they don't get electrical shock. So those two bird, as you can see, baby bird, just hatch just 1 week ago. Now they're getting little by getting bigger little by little. Anyway, guys, I'm just cannot explain you much because I have a issue speaking problem. However, as you can see, there's two baby bird, just nest. What do you call hatch, 2 weeks maybe. So this is our electrical box, as you can see right up here. So all right, guys.